Maayong udto sa inyong tanan. Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, ako ning imnon kining red wine. Medyo a little bit weird kasi lunch time mag-inom og red wine. But don't worry, bugnaw kasi ang panahon na nag-ulan na pod, naglumi na pod ang weather sa Davao City. Medyo bugnaw dere plus aircon, so mainom ko og red wine. This is my favorite red wine, Nobilino wine, and this is pork. This is pork, native pork, native not native pork, ano lang siya, parang native ang pagluto kay giasinan ra unya parang giadobo siya. This is pork. Mo ni siya ko ipares sa red wine. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Continue to shares and to likes my video clip. A blessed weekend so everyone.